Back in the 80s, two guys were in a blacksmith shop. One guy looked at the other guy and said, I bet you I can throw a pumpkin farther than you, and now this is happening. Hey guys, I'm here at the World Championship of Punkin Chunkin in Bridgeville, Delaware. They've been doing this competition since the mid-'80s. There are over 70 teams in 7 different categories. They even have adult and kid leagues. This is where science is practical. They're throwing pumpkins out into this field. Some of them can throw almost a mile. So let's go and explore and see some of the engineering behind these awesome little mechanical marvels. So this is Pumpkin Hammer. It's one of the trebuchet divisions. It has a dropping weight that will throw that pumpkin out there. They can get thousands of feet, so let's see how they do. Oh, pie. If the pumpkin explodes on takeoff, that's called pie. So this is George. He's with Smokin' Llamas. He's the biker. George, how do you prepare for that?
Well, I just like to ride my bike a lot.
As you're pedaling, what's it doing with your machine here?
All I'm doing is pouring energy into it. So what we're doing is we're taking a 675-pound wheel from a dead stop to today I ended at 250 RPMs on the wheel. Wow. So I'm shifting through the gears on the bike, getting the acceleration up, and we've got 2 minutes to get it to whatever speed we can accomplish. And then it just dumps all that energy into the pumpkin. When we did this a couple weeks ago at State College near Penn State, a professor came out and told me that it was putting about 7,200 pounds of force into an 8-pound pumpkin.
I'm here with Matt. He's from Rochester. His machine is Nassau.
The coolest part of the machine is that it actually spins almost a full revolution before it shoots. We figure we're putting at least 500 Gs into the pumpkin at launch.
Sounds like there's some math involved.
We have a 2D physics program that we use, kind of give us a rough idea of how we need to set some of the different parameters.
Woo! Loud. So I'm here with Fat Jimmy from Half a Bubble Off. Why are we using rubber bands instead of springs?
These rubber bands give you as much power, if not more, and you can keep adding as many as you want. You can keep on adding more power.
I'm at the corner of Punkin Lane and Chunkin Way with one of these air cannons. They use compressed air to shoot pumpkins up to a mile. They're definitely the most popular in that they draw the biggest crowds, mainly because, look at them, they're gigantic. So this is Greg with Inertia 2. And this is a whole different division. They actually have the pumpkin on the edge of this arm, and they are going to fling it out there using centrifugal force. What is this?
Actually, inertial force. And actually, on our machine, the pumpkin is stored at the center. It's clear up at the axle. So we drop it out of the center, and it whips it around with a sling.
That is so cool. This is science in practice, you guys. Some of these people out here are engineers. Some of them have college degrees. Some of them are mechanics. Some of them are Boy Scouts, just up here for the weekend. All of them love Punkin Chunkin. So if you happen to be in Delaware in early November next year, make sure you come and check it out, or you can watch it on Thanksgiving Day on the Science Channel. If you happen to be here, though, and you could build one of these machines, which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments below, and thanks for watching DNews.